There have been hundreds of bye-bye songs and intro videos submitted. There have been hundreds of bye-bye songs and intro videos submitted. There have been hundreds of bye-bye songs and intro videos submitted.
I'm flying! And this is A Show with Zay Frank. From Clafton, Michigan. Watching the show with Zay Frank. Zay Frank. Zay Frank! Dad, that's not how ladies talk. With Zay Frank. Bye-bye, it's the bye-bye song. Bye-bye, it's the bye-bye song.
It could be the beginning of a really scary movie.
Bye-bye, it's the bye-bye song. Bye-bye, it's the bye.
This all made me wonder what weird was.
Pacific. Pacific. You're watching the show with Zay Frank. Welcome to the show with Zay Frank.
Welcome to the show with Zay Frank. Is that normal?
To find your power move.
Zay, this is my power move. Meow, meow, na 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 na. Pow, pow, pow.
Now that is a power move. I name you Tangle Puppy.
Hello, it's my friend Josh. You're watching the show with Zay Frank? I'm not supposed to be watching this. Ba 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 song. Ba 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 song. Da dee doo be doo. Ba 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 song. Ba 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 song.
From beautiful France in Burgundy. Oh, would you shut up? You're watching a show with Zay Frank.
Angry baby, angry baby, angry, angry, angry baby, angry baby, angry baby, angry baby, angry baby, angry baby, angry, angry, angry baby, angry baby, angry baby. This baby wanna use your face like a diaper, like a diaper, like a diaper. This baby wanna use your face like a diaper, like a diaper, like a diaper. This baby wonders what you looking at, what you looking at, what you looking at. This baby wonders what you looking at, what you looking at, what you looking at. Angry baby, angry baby. But those invisible babies freak me out. invisible baby. Asshole baby, invisible baby. Why you let it stare at me? Did your baby drink some invisible potion? Or did you apply some invisible lotion? I bet your baby's ugly and that's why it be invisible. I bet your baby's ugly and that's why it be invisible. 1, 2, 3, 4. Invisible baby, asshole baby, invisible baby. Why you let it stare at me?
I think your invisible baby swallowed a water bottle. Did you just say up yours, Zay Frank? What the Are you kidding? So that's how it's gonna be. You're ganging up on me. Listen, sweetie, my power move against your power move any day. Stop saying it.
This is Mika Kitty, and you are watching A Show with Zay Frank.
I'm in New York, and one of the things that I did yesterday was to drop off a book to someone who had finished their finishing stamp. In it, there are instructions to think of something that you're ready to forgive yourself for, to forgive someone else for, or just ready to let go of.
From San Francisco, California, you're watching A Show with Zay Frank.
From beautiful Squaresville,
You're watching A Show with Zay Frank.
from my yoga mat with 2 downward-facing dogs, you're watching A Show with Zay Frank. Bye-bye song.
Bye-bye, it's the bye-bye song. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye song. Bye-bye, it's the bye-bye song.
My name is Lucy, and you're watching A Show with Zay Frank.
I'm that cool girl, and you're watching As How with Zay Frank.
Hello from Toronto, Canada, and you're watching the show with Zay Frank.
These are some carrots I harvested today, and this is A Show with Zay Frank.
I want to talk about sex.
Hey, you're here to Cheyenne, and I'm a half Swedish student going to school in Austin, Texas, and you're watching A Show with Zay Frank.
I like you. I like you. I know there's bad bits too, but I like you. There's a big difference between being a bad person and being a good person that's done bad things.